Sinocare ACR Analyzer, Portable Automatic Biochemical Analyzer 1000.
Of device. Touch LCD screen. Human-computer interaction. The test result is displayed in the screen when test ends after operator inputs the order according. Cover. To block the surround lighting, the test can be done only closing the cover. Thermal printer. To print the test report. Mini USB. Insert the code card. It can read the lotto number, expiry date, calibration equation of the reagents, back of device, nameplate, manufacturer information, USB port, insert flash disk to copy, backup and transfer data, connect a barcode machine to scan, RJ45 port, to connect LAN, leads, and his terms, RS232 port, to provide serial communication, connect the leads, his systems, PC, power input port, to connect the power cord, power switch, control power of the device, reagents kit introduction, reagents kit package illustration. Each reagent kit is for 15 persons. The kit includes single reagent kits, 15 PCS, disposable rubber dropper, 17 PCS, cold card, 1 PCS, control solution, 2 bottles, level 1, 1 bottle, level 2, 1 bottle.
Marketed by FusionGreen Healthcare Private Limited.